Hi everyone, we are here at EmTech today and we are displaying Smart's autonomous scooter. This is a wonderful place to showcase this technology because a lot of innovative efforts have been showcased here these 2 days, and it's a place where we are able to learn and interact with all people from academia, industry and as well as government institutes.
Being here at EmTech Asia is a very different experience for us, as normally we talk to a lot of researchers at scientific conferences, but here we actually get to talk to investors and executives and people that are interested in different technologies and new approaches and solutions to global problems. So with this platform, we're able to talk to many different people and get interesting ideas and feedback that we wouldn't normally get.
I think that this event is great. At this event, we find many of the people from the industry side, they are interested in commercialization of our technology in the future. So we also learned a lot of the new trend in the industry. So I hope we can make the great synergy to make technology more valuable to the world, to the community, more agri-tech related community. So I think that this event, I'm so happy to join this event and find many new people.
There's a lot of interest from investors as well, which helps in bringing the Smart's efforts to the industry level as well. So it's a great opportunity and a wonderful place to be. So thank you so much, Smart, for sending us here.